Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Now in this video we will do prove Bernoulli's theorem of class 11. So that in this Bernoulli's principle, as you know, that state that the sum of energy, that kinetic energy and potential energy and pressure energy, volume of incompressible non-viscous streamlined irrotational flow remains constant along a streamlined body. So as you know, I have to prove that. So firstly, taking assumption, let rho be density of fluid and as a section A. So as you know that this is A section and this is B section. Here will pressure come out and the P1 A1 pressure, and the pressure released at P2 A2. This is H1 height and this is H2 height, and this is A dash and B. So this end is B dash. In this gap between V1 A delta T, V2 delta T, we will see that. So as you know that density is equal to mass upon volume. So mass is equal to density into volume. So volume we can write a area of cross section into length into density. So we can write A1 V1 delta T rho. Density we have denoted as rho and volume A1 V1 delta T. So this is first equation, and now talking about the change, equation of continuity say that A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Now let's talk about change in kinetic energy. So kinetic energy, what is the formula of half mv square? So kinetic energy of B minus kinetic energy of A. So half mv square, so half we can write half m and v की, so we can write v2 square minus v1 square. So about first equation we can write a mass is equal to A1 V1 delta T rho. So we can write A1 V1 delta T rho, V2 square minus V1 square. So this is change in kinetic energy. This is second equation. And now talk about change in potential energy. The potential energy formula is mgh. So mg h2 minus h1, the incompressible to fluid liquid. So we can write mass, about mass place we can write A1 V1 delta T rho g h2 minus h1. So now we find net work done on the fields. So net work done on field, fluid. Net work done field is change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy. So we can write as what is a half change in kinetic energy? Half A1 V1 delta T rho V2 square minus V1 square plus half A1 V potential energy. This will denote the third equation. So A1 V1 delta T H2 minus H1 delta T rho G H2 minus H1. Now we can write as so what is the net work done? So net work done is work done of fluid minus work done of fluid B. Please, so work done, the net work done is A1 V1 delta T P1 minus P2. So we have to minus pressure energy from fluid A to B. So we have write so taking common A1 V1 delta T rho, we get half V2, so half rho V2 square minus V1 square plus rho G H2 minus H1. So taking common, we get this is cancel out A1 V1 delta T. So P, now we can write P1, and this is half rho V1, we shift here side, so half rho V1 square plus now H1 will come here, to rho G H1 is equal to P2 plus half, now they will can remaining. So this equation is equal, so we can write as P plus half rho V square plus rho GH is equal to constant. So this is proved. So P plus half rho V square plus rho GH is equal to constant. This is the equation for Bernoulli's theorem. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more videos, and if you comment the channel in the description, so we do another video on this proving. Thank you guys.